Welcome back to Buy Smart. Today, we're diving into a battle of the steam mops. On my left, we have the Shark Professional Steam Pocket Mop, and on my right, the BISSELL SpinWave SmartSteam Scrubbing Steam Mop. It's going to be a showdown of steam-powered cleanliness. First up, let's talk about the price. The Shark is priced at $149, which many reviewers appreciate as a budget-friendly option for effective cleaning without harsh chemicals. In contrast, the BISSELL comes in at $159. While it's only $10 more, reviewers say it's worth it for its advanced features and scrubbing capabilities, making it a great investment for long-term use. Now let's get into the features. The Shark has a straightforward design and offers 3 steam settings, which users love for its effectiveness on various surfaces. However, some users noted issues with steam production if the water tank was low. On the other hand, the BISSELL boasts an intelligent LED display that provides real-time information on steam readiness and floor types. Reviewers rave about the fingertip mode controls that allow for customization, making cleaning a breeze. Next up, design and usability. The Shark has a traditional look and is functional, but it doesn't win any style points. Reviewers appreciate its reliability and ease of use. In contrast, the BISSELL features a swivel head that allows for easy maneuverability, and its LED headlights make it easy to spot dirt in dark corners. Users love how the BISSELL makes cleaning feel effortless and even fun. Finally, let's talk cleaning power. The Shark is praised for its steam cleaning ability, with many satisfied users reporting great results on various flooring types. However, some reviewers with pets noted that it may not tackle all pet-related messes alone. The BISSELL, with its scrubbing feature, is often highlighted as a powerhouse for stubborn stains and dirt, making it a favorite among users who want thorough cleaning alongside pet hair removal. Overall, the reviews show that both mops have their strengths. The Shark Professional Steam Pocket Mop is favored for its affordability and straightforward design, while the BISSELL SpinWave SmartSteam Scrubbing Steam Mop is celebrated for its advanced features and cleaning power. Users seem to appreciate both products, depending on their individual cleaning needs. So which mop wins the ultimate showdown? If you're looking for a budget-friendly option and a no-nonsense approach, the Shark might be your best bet. But if you want features, flexibility, and the chance to save a furry friend or two, then the BISSELL is the way to go. Remember, it's not just about cleaning, it's about cleaning smart. Thanks for tuning in to Buy Smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description.